sort of the same thing. Now we have 2 beats of D, 2 beats of C, down to 4 beats of G. Here we go. All right. D, C to G. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. You know what to do now. 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Remember, we did this with just our first finger on the low E string. Now we have the power chords in a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You staying loose? Good. Let's rock out here.